Fourth problem, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. So these are the given vertices of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure which is having four sides. So this is a quadrilateral. Let this be A, B, C, D. So these are the vertices. Let us write in solution given A minus 4 comma minus 2, B minus 3 comma minus 5, C 3 comma minus 2 and D 2 comma 3 are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So we don't know which figure is this. So it is now it has become difficult for us to find out the area. To make it easy, we will split this quadrilateral into two halves. So this will be the triangle and this also be the triangle. So now we can find the area of the quadrilateral by adding the area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ACD. So we will get area of the quadrilateral ABCD by adding area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. So here A is minus 4 comma minus 2, B is minus 3 comma minus 5, C is 3 comma minus 2, D is 2 comma 3. So these are the vertices. Now let us find out the area. We know area of the triangle formula. So area of the triangle is equals to half mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now let us find the area of the triangle ABC. For ABC, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half mod x1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 5, minus y3 is minus 2, plus x2 is minus 3, y3 is minus 2, minus y1 is minus 2, plus x3 is 3 and y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is minus 5. Half mod minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus minus 3 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus into minus plus 5. Half mod minus 4 minus 5. If we subtract 2 from minus 5, we will get minus 3. Minus 3, 2 minus 2 is 0 plus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12, 3 zeros are 0 plus 3 3s are 9. Next, 12 plus 9 is 21. So 21. 21 ones are 21 by 2 square units. Next, we will find out the area of the triangle ADC. Then next, it will become x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So area of triangle ADC is equals to half mod x1 is minus 4. x1, y2 minus y3. So this is 3 minus of minus 2 plus x2 is 2. x2, y3 is minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 minus 2 minus y2, that is 3, minus 4. 3 minus into minus is plus 2, plus 2, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, plus 3, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So 1 by 2 minus 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15. 1 by 2. 4 5s are 20. 2 zeros are 0 minus 15. Minus 20 minus 15. Both are negative. That's why we will add this 35 minus 35. Inside the mod it will become positive. Because of this mod it will become positive. So 35 ones are 35 by 2 square units. So this is the area of the triangle ADC. And this one is area of the triangle ABC. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ADC. So area of the triangle ABC is 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 plus area of the triangle ADC is 35 by 2. So 35 by 2. So here if we take out the LCM, we will get 2. So 21 plus 35. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So therefore area of the quadrilateral ABCD is area of quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units.